In this video, we'll cover the Customers and Users section within the Corti Console. Within the Customers tab in the left side navbar, you'll be able to see all of the customer objects that have been created within the dashboard. These customers will house all of the users that will then be able to access the Corti Assistant. You'll notice in the Customers dashboard that there are two different types of customers. One designated with an NFR tag, NFR standing for not for resale, and those that have no tag. An NFR tagged customer is one that is going to be used for demo purposes only. This is not a customer that will house any sort of external or client users. Every other client or customer can house the users that will be accessing the Corti Assistant. Let's take a look at the details that we can edit within a customer. Once a customer is created, the display name and the check marking it not as NFR or not for resale, or removing that check, are the fields that can be edited. When creating a customer, you can edit all available fields. So we'll create a new customer here called New Customer. You'll notice that the ID has been already set, but you can add any other characters that you wish. You'll choose your data residency region, as well as mark the customer as not for resale or not. As a quick note, only one customer can be marked as NFR. If you try to add a second, I'll click Add here. You'll note in the lower right corner, you'll receive an error message denying your access to a second NFR customer, stating that only one may be created per project. Now within each customer, we will see all the individual users. In this case, we have one user. This user has a status of resend invite, meaning this user has received an email invitation from Corti to be able to access the Corti Assistant. Once that invite is accepted, the status will change to activate. If a user does not accept their invite within 7 days of receipt, you may always resend a new email notification. The notification will appear as you see here. The user will have a call to action to activate their account. Once they click this button, they will activate the account, which will change the status within the dashboard, and they'll be redirected into the Corti Assistant. Back within the dashboard, if you need to add new users, you may click Add User, add their name, their email, and decide whether you want to send an email notification or set up the user via manual invite. If you choose the manual invite option, you are going to set the user's email, set their password, and it is up to you as to how you wish to share the credentials with the user. That user will then use these credentials to log into the Corti Assistant to begin their new session. That concludes the demo of our Corti Console and the Customers and Users functionality. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team at help@corti.ai. Thank you.